another things that we needed to point out about the derivative is we could um, think about the derivative as a slope, right? So we could use our knowledge about the algebra about the rise over run. Okay, so we could think about a derivative as rise over run. So the slope is equivalent to rise and run. Rise y value, run over and the x value. So uh, we could uh, think of some of the specific points um, rate of change. So if the derivative gives us the um, the derivative of the loss function with respect to w is equal to 4 at w is equal to 5, it means for a small increase in w, the loss increase about 4 times that amount. So we could still think of the rise is approximately or is equivalent to 4 and run is 1. But there is one important detail. Um, in calculus, the derivative represents the slope for an extremely tiny run, almost zero. That's why we couldn't just uh, in the derivative it doesn't have um, put something like rise over run. But there's a there is one more important details. Like if we change a little bit or slightly or an extremely tiny run or almost zero, mathematically um, the the rate of change of the loss function L with respect to W, the limit of as a change as the W um, um, approximate or I mean approaches zero, then so it's more like price is given to 0.004, run is given to 0.001, which still give us a slope of 4.